Welcome to Real Talk Columbus, discussing today's market trends and answering your questions. Alright, so today we're discussing the top 4 remodel items that will get you the best bang for your buck or the most greatest return on your investment when you go to resell your property. Without further ado, let's get into it. The first item on the list is a new garage door. I know it's a surprising one. Believe it or not, you can recoup as much as 97.5% of the cost of a new garage door when you go to resell your home, assuming that you pick a nice, aesthetically pleasing one that adds value to the way the exterior of your property looks. Of course, that's considering the fact that most people have garage doors front and center on the front of their property. If you have an alleyway garage door on a detached garage out back or something along those lines, it may not be as impactful as a nice new garage door on the very front of your house. Okay, so the second item may also come as a surprise to you, and that is a stone veneer on the front of your property. What this is adding a nice piece of stone facade either near your front door or somewhere on the front of the house that makes sense, that again makes the property look prettier and more appealing to buyers. They say that you can recoup as much as 94.9% of the cost of that type of project if it's done the right way. Now, according to the article, it was somewhere around $8,000 to $9,000 on average. Obviously, that's going to vary vastly depending on how much stone you add and the type of stone you select. Okay, so number 3 on the list is a new kitchen remodel. That one should not come to any surprise to anybody. Kitchen's a very important part of the home, but if you make the right selections and you add functionality to your property, you can recoup as much as 80% on the kitchen remodel. And the fourth item on the list, a new deck, or I'm adding this in, a new stone paver patio, something that adds value to your backyard and also adds some additional living space, even though it's not inside the home. They say that you can recoup as much as 75 to 76% of the cost on a new deck when you go to resell the property. Not only that, but it's going to add some great enjoyment to your backyard. So in addition to those 4 items, there are a couple other things of note. A new front door and new exterior siding can also add a lot of value to your property. So keep those in mind when you're looking at projects to add value onto your home. Hopefully you found that information helpful, and don't forget to reach out to me if you want some advice on what types of remodeling projects will be great for your property. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon.